Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be exploring GreenShift's info/notice box. This is a mini-series taking a look at GreenShift's blocks. So to start, let's make a brand new page and focus on this individual block. So to get started, there's two ways we can open a new page. Well, the first one is once we log in through the backend with our username and password, we'll end up on our dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar over here, hover down to Pages and click on Add New Page. Alternatively, we can, if we're logged into our page already and we're on the home page or any other page, we'll have this top toolbar here. Hover over New, hover down to Page and click on that. That will make us a brand new blank page to work on, and it'll take us to the WordPress block editor. Alright, some housekeeping before we start. Since we don't have the right-hand sidebar over here enabled, hover over this button and click on it. Beside the Publish button, this is our settings right sidebar thing. This is where we will configure our block from. Next, let's go ahead and give our page a name. Let's name it info/notice box test. Okay, that's great. Just keep things organized. And next, we're going to actually add the block itself. So in order to do that, there's this blue button over here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Click on that. And we can either search info or notice box here, but we can just scroll down over to GreenShift, and we should find it in here. And if it's not in here, let's scroll down a bit more to extra elements, and this is the GreenShift logo, and the icons are blue, so you can be confident in that. Now, we can just click on this and drag and drop it over here, info box. And now we have an info box. So let's go ahead and click on X here just to minimize that left sidebar so we have a bit more space to work on. We have some options here such as none and normal and wide width. We can also center the text. Okay. And we have some copy paste options here. We have different options here, and we'll take a look at that later. And we can copy and paste some styles and change the spacing and padding from here. So let's put some simple text here, such as keep your information safe. Okay. And if you're happy with that, that's fine. And we can drag and drop this anywhere we want on our page, of course. So let's take a look at some of the options. Now we have, well, general and advanced here, and we don't have too much to work with. So this is a real simple block to operate on. And we have different types, as you can see. First, we have info, info light, notice, notice light, download, download light, error, error light, update, update light, green box, gray box, blue box, and red box. So let's put the notice one, just so it's a bit easier to see. And then from here, we can also align the text. Let's keep it on the middle. We can change the border radius. I'll put it on 100. We can enable or disable the box shadow. We can add a custom icon. And then from here, we can choose whichever icon we want. How about this star icon, okay? And we can also put a custom image or put in an SVG in there. Now we can close that. We can add custom background and background color if we wanted to. So if we wanted it to be purple, we could do that, but we can just reset it. We can also put a gradient or a background image. We can also change how it looks like when you hover over it. So hover color, we can make it reddish. Okay, or maybe blue would be, there we go. Blue would be much nicer. And we can also put filters on that. Next, we have our spacing. We can change our margins over here, and just for, actually, no, maybe padding would be better. 15, and you can see it changes it up. And then we have our icon spacing. We could add custom spacing to our icon. So from the left, let's put 50 pixels, and it's going to move it over to the side. And if you wanted to, before we move forward, we can change no, this one. And if we put the custom icon on or off, we'll lose our options, and that's great. So for the last thing on here, we have our shadow options. Okay, and we can close all of these up and take a look at our advanced settings. Now we can add an animation to it when it appears. We can also put in our other options here, such as custom CSS transformations and our position on the site and our responsiveness if we want to enable or disable this particular block on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Okay, and one last thing, if we select the update one, we can also enable or disable the current date. All right, but for this one, we just want to use this notice template. Let's click on publish to save our progress and take a look at the finished product. Okay, with that done saving, let's go ahead and click on view page and take us to our live site. So there is our info box. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.